Yauwa. I'm coming. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Let's enter my shop. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You are our own zeros out.
Is that not a better token there? That's a better token now. The one in black.
They're coming out. The poster is not going to wait here. The poster is going to go there. That's a dead token now. So, yes. Yeah. He's working out. Yes, sir.
Come close, come. One word. It's like one item.
I already sent a message to the group now. You didn't want to. Just for that.
Well, we are here to thank Mr. President for the opportunity he gave us to serve our country and to serve his own government. We thank him very much. We also pledge our loyalty to him and to Nigeria and Nigerians. We believe that the choice he made is the right one, the correct one, and we know what he wants for this country. We are going to work tirelessly to ensure that we accomplish that objective of securing our country, establishing peace, stability, and let's get our lives back. He gave us the assurance that he is with us 100%. He told us that we must work as a team, and there is a work to be done. He will expect us to deliver, and we are grateful for the opportunity. That's why we are here.
Big task ahead of you, sir.
Yes, and it is going to be done, inshallah. Where we are today, and you can see already things are improving in our country. If you see the record of crimes and activities of the criminals, it's going down. It will continue to go down. We will secure this place. Nigerians have seen the quality of people that are given opportunity. They are probably some of the best we have, and they are not going to fail. They will certainly deliver. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.